cruise day 2 with my favorite felines.
Say hi, Pip. For luck.
Thank you.
Oh, well.
You spoil her.
Weather advisory. Please move indoors. Inside. Now. Mom! Keep talking! I'm coming!
Kids Lounge, Deck C aft. We cut through Service Hall 3. Ugh.
Guide me. I won't lose her.
On my go! G.O.
Call for me, baby! Mate energy.
Pip first, bridge later.
Mom? Mom? Lounge! I'm in the lounge!
Left stairwell.
Moon.
Held it! Pip! I've got you! I knew you would. I knew you would.
Green on rudder.
Turn leeward now.
Home is wherever you are.
Love you, Mom.